Hello learners, today's video is about text function. We will be seeing a lot of text function in this video. So let's start the lesson with the text join function. So we are having a list of some first name and second name. So what text join do? It joins text from multiple range or strings with a delimiter. Means it puts a delimiter which you provide in the formula, and with that delimiter it joins the text. So let's see it practically. What should be our delimiter in this case? It should be a space because these are the first name and the second name. So giving a space over here, comma, what it is saying that ignore empty cell. Yes, we want that too. So pressing tab will give a true answer. Then it is saying what are your text which you want to join. So we are giving a range over here. We want to join this range. Pressing enter will give us a text join or a full name called James Smith. We can stretch this till the end and this is done. So let's assume if we delete this Don. So in the formula it was asking that if you want to include the empty cell. We said yes, true. So if we delete this, it will just simply put Joe as the name. And let's assume if we delete this, then let's see what happens. It is putting the Don as the full name. So text join is helpful, and it can also join a lot of cells. Means you can give a range like this as well and it will join it. Let's see over here, deleting all this, and in the formula let's assume we want to give like this, and in this case it has joined all the text with a delimiter of space, and is very useful function. Next, moving on to the left and right function, what it says, it extracts or returns the specified number of characters from the start or end of a string. So left is used to extract from the starting and right is used to extract from the end point. So let's see it over here. We are having some random numbers over here, and using the left formula, let's assume this is our text. Then it is asking how many characters you want to extract. So let's assume we want to say 3. It is giving us A, B, C, and dragging it till the end will give us the XYZ and element. Moving on to the right, as I said, the left extract from the starting and right from the ending. So from here, if we want to extract, let's say we want 5 characters, it will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means all the numeric characters. And moving on ahead, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this way you can extract the number of characters from your string. Next, moving to the mid function. Mid function returns a specific number of characters from a text string starting at the position you specify. Means the formula asks for the position from which you want to extract. So text is that starting number. Let's assume we want to extract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will say 4 should be the starting point and number of characters should be 5. So in this case it will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try something else. This is the text, and let's assume we want to start from, we just want 9, 8. So starting from the 4th position and only 2 characters should be extracted will give us 98. So in this way you can use the mid function to extracting the characters which are lying in the middle of a string. They are not at the starting, not in the beginning, but you want to extract them. You can use the mid function. Next, moving on to the len function, which is used to return the length of a text string. Suppose you want to know the length of your string to use it in another formula. So for that you just have to use the len function, and it just need only one entry as the text and it will return you the length of the string, means how many characters are there in the string. So len function is very useful. Next, moving on to the trim function. Trim function is used to remove the extra spaces from a text string. These spaces can be in the starting as well, in the middle and at the end. So I'm having some examples with a lot of spacing in them. So using the trim function will help me remove those spaces. So you can see there was a space before hello which is removed, and there was a lot of space between hello and word which is also removed. So trim is used to remove the extra spaces in our string. Moving on to the upper, lower and proper function. Upper by name says that it will return the text in the all upper cases. Lower will return the text in lower cases, and proper will return the text in a way that the first character of every word will be in the upper case and rest will be in the lower case. That is our proper case. So starting from here, upper, and the whole string is in uppercase. Now doing it with lower, the whole string is in lowercase. Now coming to proper, since this is already proper, so let's take this as an entry, will return us the first character in the capital. So upper, lower, proper is very useful to search, to find and to manage your data. So moving ahead and coming to find and search function. So both are used to return the position of a substring within a text string. So difference is that find is case sensitive and search is not case sensitive. While search is also having an upper hand, that it can search with wildcards also. So let's see both of them with an example. So what we have to find over here, we have to find at. So putting in the quotation marks because it is a string, selecting the text. Find text is the thing which you have to search, and within text is the string from where you have to search, and pressing enter will give us the position number of @ and we can drag it till the end to find the @ in every example. So here we got it. So let's do it with the search as well. Find text, it is @ comma within text will give us 8. Dragging it till the end will give us the position. So let's assume we want to find. So let's see something which is not case sensitive. Find text. Let's assume we are writing ABC over here, comma within text is this. Pressing enter will give us the 1 position, means it is at the starting position of 1 ABC. Let's do the same thing with the find as well. So taking ABC as the string, from where it has to find, from this string. Pressing enter will give us an error. So find doesn't support non-case sensitive things, while with search we can do that. So now we are going to try the delimiters. Let's assume we want to find how many spaces are there, at which point the space are there. It is useful when we want to count the number of words in a sentence. So we have given the space in the delimiter so we have given the space in the find text within the quotes, and within text is our string address. Pressing enter will give us the 6th position at which the space starts. Let's say we are putting an exclamation mark over here and doing exclamation comma this, it will give us the 15. At 15 position the exclamation mark is there. So let's move on to another function which is called substitute. Substitute replaces a specific text or string within the entire string. You have to specify the exact text to replace, and optionally which instance to replace if it occurs multiple times. So starting text, this is our text. Okay, now we want to replace easy with new text tough. The string is saying that Excel is easy and I'm learning Excel. Now we want to replace easy with tough, and pressing enter will give us Excel is tough and I'm learning Excel. So next we are trying it out. If our old text which we want to substitute is occurring multiple times, then what it will happen, how to deal with that. So substitute, in this sentence we are having Excel twice. So old text comma new text is VBA, and if we don't put any instance number because it is optional, let's see what happens. It has replaced everything. Every Excel is replaced with VBA. Let's try it out again with some instant numbers. So Excel comma VBA comma only one. So let's assume. So the first occurrence is substituted while the second occurrence is not substituted. So you have seen the substitute in 3 different ways. Next, moving on to the last function of this video is replace. Replace is used to replace a portion of a string based on its position and length. You specify where the replacement should start and how many characters should be replaced. So the difference between replace and substitute is that substitute asks you for a string which it can match, a substring which it can match with the string, and when it finds that substring, it replaces with the new text you give in the formula. While replace asks you the position number, the position of the words or string which you want to replace. So let's see it with the formula. Old text is our full string. Now what we want to change? We want to change easy to tough. So what is the starting position of easy? 10. Okay. And how many character long is easy? It is 4. So we want to replace it. Old text is referring to the cell which you want to change. Comma start number, the starting position from where you want to change, and the num characters, and the num character is how long, till how long you want to change. Then comes the new text. We want to say it is tough. So it has changed. Excel is tough and I'm learning Excel. So you can see that replace wants you to give the position number, while substitute asks you for the substrings which it can replace. So these were all text functions which are very helpful in managing text in Excel, and hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel and follow the channel on Instagram as well for more updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.